I'm hungry, make man's a double-decker. Two personas, putting in a double effort. Riding clean, super mean in a bubble Lexer. And when I'm with that white chick, I double stretch.
A little bit better than coffee. It's better than coffee. Hold up. We still dirty though. Don't let it fool you. We still dirty though. You wanna find out how I keep it, you know, the way I do. Just follow the vlogs. We about to get to it though. Stop that. I mean, guys, by the end of the day, we about to ride out. Let me strap up real quick. Try to beat this truck actually. That motherfucker real quick. Today's the day, guys, and I forgot something, so I gotta go back to my house. That happened easy. I can't forget those things, so I'll be right back, and then I'll tell you what we got going on today. All right, just like that, I'm back. Only on our way. I had to run back in and grab something real quick. If I told you what I grabbed or even showed you what I grabbed, it'll ruin the whole surprise. But I ain't really good at surprises, as my wife. So, boom. All right, so boom. That's hint number one. Hint number two is going back to where I got this thing from to settle an issue. Now, I don't want to assume or anything. I want to hope that everybody's been keeping up to date with the vlogs. We're actually about to crush 300 subscribers. I'm pretty excited about that. And excuse that, I'm trying to stop doing that. Hey, I definitely want to talk about something though. Hold, let me see if I can get this thing to turn around and look at me. Hold up. Oh man, this thing is weak. I gotta get a new joint. I lost my. Man, damn, this is weak, yo. How's it supposed to stand up? So, like I was about to say, we about to crush 300 subscribers. I'm thankful and excited about that. And I'm ready to move on to the next milestone. I don't really care about, you know, what everybody else got going on. Not to say that in a negative way, like, if you got something going on, cool. But if there's ain't nothing I can do to help, what do you want me to do? I don't know. But coming up on 300 subs. I'm not a big channel, but I do want to do something for my 300 subscribers. As you know, I got my own product. A lot of people that are very active on my channel, they're not in a area that I live in, so I want to do something towards that I can mail you something, you know, make you a decal, something. So I do know for a fact that somebody is going to get a bottle of my product. Well, 2 bottles, because I got 2 different products. But for the most part, I'm definitely giving somebody that stuff away. Not because I can't sell it, because it's sellable. I've been marketing. I go to car washes every Saturday and Sunday morning and sell my bottles. Different car washes. I'm not gonna tell you what's in it. I'm just gonna tell you it works. Yeah, but police sit over here and stuff from time to time. But yeah, we about to take the Durango down here to where I got it from, and hopefully they can rectify the situation, because man, y'all seen it. Y'all seen what happened when it get wet. And if not, I'll drop the clip in right here. All right, as I complained before and mentioned before, this back light is not working. I just got pulled over for this back light. My license plate bulbs are not working when this goes out. Vehicle's running, everything else is lit. I saw water in here. But for the most part, that's what happens when it gets wet. That's what's been happening. It's been very, very rainy, and I don't think that I should have to cough it up. Like, bro, this to be real, this to be really real, I've only made one payment on this truck. You know what I mean? It's a half payment. So I expect for great service, and that, like, I expect the works. Damn near $1,000 a month, because I wanted what I wanted when I wanted it. I ain't want to wait. That's, you know, that's a hint for y'all. Take your time. Cause man, do I got it? Yeah, but that's not the point. See, people always worry about, man, oh, I got it. Listen, you got the bag to keep the bag, to regenerate the bag, not to burn the bag. You know what I mean? Like, you see me? Jordans, Aeropostale, whatever. Listen, I'm not buying Prada sneaks and all that. That shit's weak to me. I'm not wearing designer. That shit's a female thing to me, man. These dudes is a little bit too feminine these days, man. Can I get about that? Seriously. Man never wore no Gucci, bro. Like, not men in my life. And I've been around some true to born hustlers. So I'm not talking about anybody's sexuality. I'm just talking about choice of clothing. I want to put that out there. Who you choose to be with is who you choose to be with. We're going to talk about how you dress, and that's it. We'll jump on to some funny subjects a little later, but you know what I mean, I just want to rap with y'all, you know what I mean, on my little ride. My son was like, basically, you got 6 captain's chairs. And I'm like, nah. And he's like, yeah, you got 6 captain's chairs. Like, bro, I got 4 captain's chairs. Hit that eco. I'm like, I got 4 captain's chairs, and I got a bench seat in the back. Like, that's basically a captain's chair. I'm like, no, it ain't, man. So yeah, Bam was right. But yo, watch this. I got something for y'all. Look at the baby. We're gonna cut this. I'm gonna turn this back on when I get here. But I want to throw something in there real quick. Throw a little something in this video. So yeah, watch the baby, and I'll be right back. What are you doing?
I did not see it. Come here. Come here. Can I have a hug? Yes, I can. Come on.
Where you going? You still got your croc on, though. You still got your croc on in there. You gonna fall, buddy. Yo, you just yelled at King on video too. I got that.
He was on video?
Well, we here. Man, this looks like doobies. But it ain't. But we here. Yep. There's your boy. Yep. I don't know why she turned my hazards on for, but we just got checked in. Had to go through some steps real quick to make sure that I was getting this repaired, you know, on them, so to speak. But the thing is, like I said, I just had bought the vehicle, so man, certain repairs, if I ain't do it, I shouldn't have to worry about. Like, yo, that track light was messed up when I brought it home. I just thought for some reason it didn't work. I know it sounds stupid, but I should have said something then, but I didn't. But just gonna bang out, we're gonna hang out, wait for my shit to get done, y'all. I'm gonna find somewhere to go get low up. I see some shade already, geez. Boys a little turned up. It's Friday. I got me a job and I got shit to do. You dig me? But yeah, this Alfa Romero is nice. I really don't like the what's going on with the focusing? Guess we ain't using that, huh? Oh shit. This bad. I like this color. Ugh. Oh shit. Is this somebody's car? This is somebody's car, so we ain't gonna show too much of this. This is nice. Woo! Gotta like them joints because they come with the, you know, come with the pizzazz. You know what I'm saying? What's up, guys? Little Audi. This looks like doobies for real. That's courtesy vehicle. See, they got courtesy vehicles, but they ain't want to give me one. I ain't do nothing last time, but they ain't want to give me one. We don't know yet. I don't know yet. We're going to see. All right, so this is where we at. Like I said earlier in the vlog, I like this. This is a new one. A dash. Ooh. Big roof? No, small roof. Yeah, so we got the raspy Durango here. And we got the new light on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't even gonna wait till I get home, y'all. I'm putting my things on. I kind of messed up a little bit. I gotta wipe some stuff off. They told me it was gonna leave some scratch marks. But, what y'all think? That better? I like it. I was a little bit worried about being able to see. Oh, they vacuumed my floor a little bit. Hey, cool. I was worried about being able to see the turn signal. And it is dark, but we're gonna brighten those up too. I'm about to get out of here, guys. What's she looking at? I'm about to get on up out of here, guys. Oh, almost fell. We need some gas. I'm gonna turn these off. We're gonna get some gas and go home. And we'll talk about my experience at Ron Lewis once I get home. Ugh. Ew. Man, we need to clean this. He need to let us clean this. Ugh. Ooh. This shit is hard, Jack. Ugh. Ugh. Look at these exhaust tips. That's alright. We got this big bitch right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But, oh, what the, you know what I'm saying? With the tech. You know what I mean? It, I missed it, but damn it. Whoa. Oh, man. Thank you, bro. Sheesh. Let him get him out of here. Damn. Yo, and yo, some more. Big shout out to my man, John Wiley at Ron Lewis. Big shout out to JT, the service manager, fixed my truck for me. I am very thankful. Man, can't be more satisfied. What you think, Bob? You like it? You like it like this? Or do you like it before? I like it like that.
Yeah.
It matches better. It flows. Big shout out to Ron Lewis. They got me right. Took care of the truck for me. And before I left the dealership, I installed my tail light tent. We'll get a little closer. I think the outside of the vehicle's coming together pretty well. I'm not really big on rims no more, especially on a daily. I don't have a show car. All these people riding past. Hold up. But like I was saying, I don't have a show car, so you know, I gotta get a heat gun, get that badge off. But other than that, we gotta do some things paint wise. I think he's looking good though. You know, I thought it was gonna be dark, but as long as you can see that shit flash, I guess I'm straight. I'm about to go in the house and chill. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Look at this big ass truck coming on the road. Wow. But it's loud. You think it's loud? Woo. It's turning. It's a diesel. Of course. Car's coming. Speed to B-roll. Slow to B-roll. Yeah. That's it right there, man. I'm thinking about getting some 5% back here. I think so.